missing the pick. Get out the car. Come on, let's go. Get the fuck out. Come on.
Hey, somebody go back lethal.
I got you. I got you. On the ground. On the ground.
On December 20th, 2023, Atlanta police were called to a gas station on Jonesboro Road where a man, later identified as William Burris, had opened fire on another person. After the shooting, Burris fled, but he circled back and drove right past the investigating officers. Police attempted a traffic stop, but after letting a female passenger out, Burris gunned it, sparking a dangerous pursuit.
King ready to missing the pick.
The black female out, she jumped up down. She didn't got right into the I'm more smart police, they gonna go. Fisher, my way to you supervisor. Yeah, drive, we got it.
About the street name?
Copy.
We got 4 spot police.
Copy, 4 spot police out.
Going back there, north south, north south.
Lieutenant north south.
That's the Central Avenue. Very reckless. Very reckless.
On the line. Give it out over there now. Immediately not been responding.
Talking at us. Hot radio, big point going in. Eastbound. On Lakewood Ave, as we take it, as we take it. Hit. Bad 41.
Copy, Jim. It is about your status.
Oof. Oh my God. Here, come on.
What location?
Say where I am. 9:55 and I'm like, come on.
I want my mommy.
Come on.
Where's our mommy?
Get them out of the way. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Come here, sweetie. Come here. You're okay. You're okay. You're all right. You'll be all right. You're okay, sweetie.
Get out the car. Come on, let's go.
Listen, I got you. Hey man, listen. Just bring your body. Hold on. Let's pull this open.
There we go. I got you. I got you.
Stand by.
Hey, somebody go back lethal.
I got you. I got you. Come on.
Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
One more time.
Get the fuck out. Come on.
Do it my own
Get out.
voice.
Get on the ground.
Down
On the ground. On the ground.
Get him secured. She's gentle, please. I give up.
Come on.
Where the kids at?
They're over there.
All right.
50-54. Show one more to tank.
No, in custody.
Get up.
Thank you.
William Burris was arrested and now faces a mountain of charges, including 3 counts of kidnapping, 3 counts of cruelty to children in the first degree, aggravated assault, and possession of a firearm by a convicted felon.